Hi all, welcome to my channel My Art Journal. Today we will be making a colorful scrunchie. The material that I have used is listed down. Let's begin. Tie a yarn to the elastic band. Secure it well. Here I am starting off with a green yarn. You can take any yarn color of your choice and start by making single crochet. To make single crochets, pull up a loop across the elastic band. You will have 2 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. Let's do it again. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both the loops. These are single crochets. We will continue making single crochets on this elastic band. Go on making the single crochets. We will cover this elastic band with the single crochets. Let's pull the stitches closer and continue making single crochets for the first round. Let's end the round 1 with a slip stitch. For round 2, begin by making 3 chains and make a single crochet in the next stitch. To make a single crochet, insert the hook in the chain, pull up a loop. You will have 2 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. Again make 3 chains and in the next stitch make a single crochet. Insert the hook, pull up a loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. 3 chains again. In the next stitch, make a single crochet. 3 chains and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the pattern. 1 single crochet, 3 chains, 1 single crochet, 3 chains. Let's continue this pattern for round 2 and meet me at the end. Finish off the round 2 with a slip stitch. Pull up a loop and pass it through the chain. Pull up a loop now. Snip off the yarn and secure it well with 2 to 3 knots. This is knot 1. Repeat the process. Pull up a loop and make a knot. For round 3, I am using color yellow. Let's attach the yarn with the knot. Hold the yarn, pull up a loop, make 2 to 3 knots. 1, 2. We will now work in the spaces created with the green yarn. In the first space, let's make a single crochet, and in the next space, let's make 5 double crochets. To make a double crochet, we will yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop. We will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through remaining 2 loops. This is a double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through remaining 2 loops. This is second double crochet. Let's make third double crochet. Fourth double crochet in the same space. Fifth double crochet in the same space again. Now let's make a single crochet in the next space. Again, let's make 5 double crochets in the next space. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and double crochet 5, all in the same space. Now make 1 single crochet in the next one. In the next space, make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After making 5 double crochets, make 1 single crochet. Similarly, follow this pattern and complete this round. Finish off by making a slip stitch. Pull up a loop, snip off the yarn, leaving some tail. Secure it nicely with 2 to 3 knots. For round 4, let's attach a red color yarn. Let's begin by making a single crochet in the same space where we made a single crochet in the previous round. Make 2 chains after making a single crochet. Now on the double crochet from the previous round, we will make a single crochet. Make 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Make 2 chains. Again, on the double crochet from the previous round, we will make 1 single crochet and pull up a loop. Now, with the help of thin crochet hook, we will insert a pearl bead in the loop. After the bead is inserted, we will start crocheting again. Let's make 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Make 2 chains. Let's make 2 single crochets in the previously made double crochet. Two single crochets, 2 chains again, and then 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Now let's make 1 single crochet in the previously made single crochet. just one single crochet to complete this part. In the next part, we will make 2 single crochets, 2 chains, 1, 2. Again, in the next stitch, make 2 single crochets, 2 chains. Again, let's make 2 single crochets in the next stitch, 2 chains again, 2 single crochets in the next stitch, 2 chains, and again 2 single crochets on the last stitch. So you will have 10 single crochets in this part. Now let's end this with a single crochet in the previously made single crochet stitch. Similarly, let's make the same pattern on the next part. 2 single crochets, 2 chains, 2 single crochets again, 2 chains, 2 single crochets, 2 chains, 2 single crochets, 2 chains, 2 single crochets. So 5 times in total. Now end it with 1 single crochet in the next one. After making these 2 parts without any bead, now we will attach a shell instead of a bead. So make 2 single crochets, 2 chains, 2 single crochets again, 2 chains. Now make 1 single crochet and place a shell same as we placed a bead. With the help of a thin crochet hook, place the shell in the loop and start crocheting again. Again, make a single crochet in the same stitch. Make 2 chains, 2 single crochets in the next one, 2 chains, 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and to complete this part, make 1 single crochet at the end. Similarly, follow this pattern and complete this round. In the first part, place a white pearl bead, keep the next 2 parts plain. In the next part, place a shell and repeat the pattern. Finish off with a slip stitch. This is how it will look like after completing all 4 rounds. I hope you liked the video. Kindly share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel and share your valuable feedback. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.